Here's lesson 30, number 15. It gives you this picture of the graph y equals absolute value x, and it explains, I don't really like how the book explains this, but it says how the graph goes through these points, -1, 1, and 1, 1. And then it says make a sketch of the reciprocal function. So it is kind of nice that it tells you that the graph goes through those 2 points, because we know, well, maybe you don't know, but maybe I'll start reminding you guys that reciprocal functions are going to have a certain form. A lot of times reciprocal functions look like that. Other times they'll look just like that, but they go the other way. They have asymptotes, and the reason they have asymptotes is because there's a denominator, and wherever that denominator equals 0, it's going to cause there to be an asymptote. Okay. Another way that a reciprocal function could look would be like this one, or like this one. The author of your book calls this one a volcano. I guess that's like a downward-facing volcano. Okay, so knowing this about the parent, there's actually a parent function. I think this one is this is 1 over x right here. So anyway, knowing how reciprocal functions work, you don't have to spend a lot of time on a problem like this. You just go ahead and see your graph, how it has the 2 points. It's telling the author of the book's trying to give you a clue, telling you that your reciprocal graph's going to go through those points. Well, which one of these 4 could it possibly be if it's going to go through -1, 1 and +1, 1? Well, it's got to be this one. So I went ahead and graphed the 2 points, and then, sorry, it's kind of awkward. I'm using my iPod. Just draw a sketch. They probably show, I didn't even check, but they probably show this in the back of your book. What if you don't feel comfortable about that? You don't understand what I said, and you're just like, that's not good enough? Well, go ahead and plot some points. You don't have to, because if you understand that the graph has to look like one of these 4, then you don't have to really plot any points. You already got 2 points, and you know there's some asymptotes. The reason there's an asymptote at x equals 0, which is the y-axis, is because it's undefined there. And then of course you get these 2 points. I plugged in a couple other points just to check and prove it to myself. And that's it.